2 here in Bogota. Back at it with Clint.
Yes, people.
Yes.
Make sure you subscribe and watch his videos,
there we go.
Up and coming YouTuber.
Today we're doing a food tour later, but for now we're gonna make our way up the big mountain they have here in Bogota. But we're just getting some sunscreen right now because with the drastic difference in altitude comes the higher chances of burning. So we gotta get that. So we're not burnt to crisp for the rest of our trips, but the streets are looking very calm today. Very relaxed. So much artwork. And the people so far have been very nice. So that mountain in the background, we're going to be summiting that. But before that, we got to find out how to get there.
Yeah.
A pretty cool looking church over there. So far my Spanish has been holding up pretty good here. The people have been understanding me, which has been good. And I've been forcing some conversation, which is even better. And so it starts. Let's get it over with, eh?
Everyone's breathing heavy already.
I already know the walk back is going to be such a breeze, so.
Yeah. And it was only when I logged in to see it, I didn't get my notification.
Clint, how are we feeling?
Yeah, man. It's, like I said, starting to regulate the breathing now, not too bad.
Yeah, there's little increments here and there that get a little steep like this.
We're in the shade now, so that's even better. But I'm sure that sun will come out in the next 20 minutes or so. Again.
Just gotta keep pushing.
Yeah.
That's where we are. 560 meters up. A lot more to go.
Yeah, man. That's another 180.
Starting to get a little break in the view here. Got a lot more to go though.
Yeah. A lot more.
We've reached a bit of a plateau here. A lot of stores and stuff. Woo. Woo. Sweating like crazy from the forehead and back to chest. Look at these restaurants you can have food from. The watermelon. Woo. There's the airport way back there. Check out these tunnels. This artwork, pretty nice. Current update, we're almost at the top here. How are we feeling, Clint?
Yeah, man. Feeling a lot better now. We've had this little break. But,
the back is...
Currently another 10-minute walk up to the top and then we're there.
Oh, the back is actually soaked. My shirt is drenched in sweat right now.
Yeah. It's definitely worth it though, man.
Yeah.
Scenario
Have to do it, man.
Crazy.
I know, we don't take the easy way up. We don't take the lift up. We don't do that. Oh, we don't want to work for those views. Anyways, let's finish it. Let's get to the top. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Guys, we've done it. We've made it to the top. Whew. That was actually pretty tough. Just tedious. I mean, I wouldn't say as bad as the Rainbow Mountain, but just the zigzags kill. Whew. Got a little cathedral up here. We have a lot of people coming down with ash on their forehead for Ash Wednesday. Let's check out this view. This is the $1,000,000 question. How is the view up here? Oh, mad. It's mad. Look at that view. I'd say that view is pretty worth it. Worth the grind and everything. See, there's a trail, a tram that you can take there. But you know, I never turned down a good opportunity to push my health limits. So now we're about 10,000 feet here, which is pretty significantly high. And that's where Cusco is at. So if you are planning to come here, you gotta come here before 1 o'clock because that's when this place closes down. So we got here around 10 o'clock. Made the hike up, got up here at around 11:25, 11:30. Wasn't too bad.
What is it, between 9 and 1, is it?
Yeah, no, it's between like 5 a.m. and 1.
Oh, 5 a.m.
Yeah, so it's pretty early. You can come up here, but it's good now that we're hungry. We're gonna go on the food tour. We're gonna eat a ton of food. And we're gonna be set for the night, you know. This view, man, incredible. You can see the stadium. There we were yesterday, way down there. But it's a big city, man. Time to head down.
Yep, time to head down. Hopefully not sweating as much.
No.
Breathing as heavy.
Getting back to the hostel in time, get a little shower and clean up, and then go eat some food. Maybe grab a little beer after. Good times. This has to be the sweetest watermelon I've ever had. Had to get a little reward for a walk down. Ooh, so good. So small. Survived the mountain. Now we're heading back to the hostel to clean up.
Yeah, man.
Get ready for this food tour. But we were just talking about the artwork here, man. It's
crazy.
absolutely incredible. It's just everywhere you go with art. Yeah. No lack of color in this place. Check out this place. This is mad. Woo. Pretty crazy. So we've started the food tour here. Clint, you excited to eat some fruit?
Yeah, but I'm hungry after that hike. Boy.
I know.
I need something to
growling in the hostel. I'm ready to eat. But let's try some more fruit. Yeah, this market is quite old, since the 1930s, so it's pretty interesting.
Champagne, buena.
That will taste.
Okay, enjoy.
How is it?
Yeah, that's fresh, man.
That's really good.
That is my favorite food. Feijoa or feijoa?
That's an interesting taste.
Okay, good.
That's a unique taste, yeah, man. I'm just trying to think what it tastes like. It tastes like something.
There's some sort of candy.
What's your opinion?
Yeah, it does taste like candy, doesn't it?
Tastes good? It tastes familiar.
Yeah.
It's a guava piece. You can eat everything, okay? Guava or guayaba.
So good.
Lulo, in Ecuador, people call this fruit naranjilla. Okay?
It's good. That's good.
It's a mix of kiwi and lemon.
Cleanses the
Are you ready?
palate of it, innit?
Yes.
Look at this. Let's get a little taste tester.
Do you need a straw?
Enjoy your holiday.
Cheers.
How tastes? Good?
Muy rica.
Okay.
How does that taste?
Yeah, man, good. I feel like it's added 10 extra years to my life now. You know what I mean?
I think it's
Really,
okay.
really good.
Chirimoya.
This fruit, this big one right here, is said to help prevent cancer. So I gotta get a lot of this if I want to live long, right? That tower right there, tallest tower in Colombia, called Bogota, which means Colombian in native language. Pretty interesting. We got buñuelos. It's like a little bit of a delicacy here. Let's give it a little taste test.
So this is just amazing, yeah? This is really, it's not like dry, is it? It's quite nice.
This is corn, not flour, it's corn. How is it?
Oh, banging. Very nice.
Yeah, this is alcoholic drinking. No, the percent of alcohol of this is 0.2% or less, very low, okay? For that reason, you can see here many young people drinking chicha like a soda, like a juice, okay? It's very popular. But in many bars and places, you can find chicha with rum, chicha with whiskey, and in many places, gin tonic. Do you understand? Yeah. Gin tonic, okay? Well, guys, we have the opportunity to try in this tour. The original chicha is just corn fermented, but like buñuelos, we renewed the chicha. Now we have chicha with maracuya, chicha with strawberry, chicha with mango, chicha with different tequila, okay? You can drink it slow.
What's that taste like?
Give it a little taste.
This tastes like
Kombucha? Some people tell me that.
Okay, no, it doesn't taste like it. No.
It has a fermented taste to it.
A little bit of
Yeah,
like
that's probably
apple
what it is. It's
cider
just a
vinegar,
fermented
man.
taste. Yeah.
Honestly, this might have been one of the better deals I did on my whole trip. These free walking tours, well, they're not really free, but it allows you to explore the city or try new things, and then you just give the guides a tip at the end. So guys, I highly suggest doing one of these if you're ever in Colombia. I'll leave a link down below. Really know how to get some empanadas. Got a nice chicken empanada here. Let's give it a go.
Yeah, it's like a salsa.
Very good.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's quite nice.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Wow, it does have a kick to it.
Clint, how is it? How's the, you got chicken or beef?
Got chicken and I've got a vegetable one, so I'm gonna bang into that vegetable in a minute.
How tastes your empanada?
This right here is a very famous soup here in Colombia. We've made out of potatoes, rice and chicken, some vegetables. We mixed the sour cream we have here and I forgot the name of this. And then do a little bit of mix. But let's give that a little try. That's good. So this is the center of Bogota here. It's very busy. We're gonna have some dessert.
Have you tried?
Let's go try it.
This is the dessert in this. How
Best thing ever.
Yeah, it's quite light actually. I thought it was gonna be heavier. It's quite nice. I don't know.
Well, guys,
I ended up passing on this one. Had my sweets for the day.
first, and then juice
Check out, we're
lemon,
getting,
and then the rum or the
Local
tea.
food.
And guys, the key of the flavor is
spicing it up with a
combined
little rum.
very well, mixed with your stick, okay? We add the tea. The name, guys, canelazo comes from canela. Canela in Spanish, in English, cinnamon, okay? Cinnamon. Christmas every day, yes. Good. Yeah, how it tastes? Be careful, maybe it's hot.
Tastes like medicine. Tastes like a tea my mom makes when I'm sick.
Well, when people feel sick, drink this.
It's good.
This is the local animal, right? I'm assuming.
That is the veal.
I was at the veal. Okay, I'll try this one. Maybe I'll try the veal first.
So guys, if you don't know, we're doing a little bit of meat taste testing here. We got, how's the veal? Is that wasabi or avocado?
That's guacamole. Yeah.
So right here we got capybara, which is pretty interesting. We got veal and plantains, and guacamole. So let's give that a go. Did the guinea pig back in Peru. We're doing capybara. Cheers. That's good. You can taste the smokiness off that.
Yeah.
It tastes like smoked chicken.
Yeah.
Like a tender smoked chicken, which seems the current trend for rodents. Well, I saw them over there with the flame, right?
I feel like as well they don't even really season it that much because the animals over here probably.
That's good.
Yeah.
food tour, man. Honestly, it was pretty good for what you get. It's free, you just tip at the end. And you know, I ate so many different foods that I don't think I would have ever encountered. But oh, so good. And how did you like the food tour?
Yeah, man, it was good. It was good.
Favorite, most surprising thing you ate today?
That, what was it called? What's it called? Beleng? Do you remember what it's called? Beleng? I don't know. But it was like basically like a fried sort of donut with cheese and chocolate in it. It was cool, man.
I like pastry.
Banyello. There we go.
It wouldn't be complete with a good pint here. In this local brewery, got this honey ale, which is honestly not bad. Now that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, and I had to say one more time a huge thanks to Clint for joining me on these past couple days in Colombia. It was honestly a great pleasure to have him, and a lot of fun climbing that mountain and trying some unique food. Brother, I hope to see you again in the future sometime. But anyways guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.